Okay, welcome back. Yeah, so this time we'll do something that hopefully not as confusing as before. So let's just get rid of all of it. And I apologize for making it confusing, but I think it's important to show, anyways, that it can be confusing very early on if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, so let's just run it to see that it's, yeah, so let's reset, and let's make a new function. On this we're going to focus on our return functions, so this is a bit different. Actually, I'm just going to define the function first. So let's call it give me a hey function, which doesn't take any input, and just like this. So I want the function to return a hey, like yo something, maybe yo's, no, just like this. Okay, so let's write the function name of the function, a hey, this. So this is super simple, returning a string, that's hey, and I should just forgot it again because I'm not used to it. String, give me a hey. So we start by the return type. Instead of void is like I'm not going to return anything. So with string, I'm going to return a string. That's basically it, and just missing a semicolon and a end bracket. So let's just run and see what happens. Nothing happens. Why not? I mean, we called the function, give me a hey. Why is nothing going on? Well, because we're not doing anything with the hey that we get back. So we get hey, but we just saying hey to the air, to like nothing. So what we could do is to show you, create a string first, just an empty string, I would say, string some string, yeah, this one, see that it works, yeah, okay, string some string, give me a hey, and then here we get a hey back. See, function down here returns hey. We need to store it somewhere, we need to do something with it. So what can we do? Now I just created this empty string variable, and I'm going to do like this. So some string variable, it's empty now, but it can store a string, so to speak. And this is what we're doing in this line. So some string variable, we just created up here, will now store whatever this function give me a hey returns. Just run and see, doesn't give an error. How can we prove that that is what's going on? Well, we just print the variable some string, print line, I should say. There's also just a print function processing, as you see. It turns blue, so it means that it's inbuilt function, but we have to use the print line. Okay, so let's see what happens. Yep, it works. Let me just zoom in. Now that I got this cool program, can zoom in. We are starting hey, end of program. Yep. So we just proved that this function works. Just this super short function returns hey. So we have created a hey function. Pretty cool. Yeah. So this is just the basic of a return function that returns. This one just returns like the same string, hey, all over again and again. Let's just do that actually. So we created some string. Let's create string some other string. Some string. Give me a hey, and let's yeah, some other string also equals the function give me a hey. And now let's print first some string and then some other string. Yeah, let's see if we get 2 heys back. And we do. Sorry, we get 2 heys back. So we just, every time we call it, from now till the end of days, give me a hey will just give a hey back, no matter what. Yeah, so let's just show it again. So this is the super small function, which is a return function. Return type is a string, it's defined, it starts with that, and then the name, give me a hey, and then the parentheses, it takes no input, and then it returns a hey. So that's super simple. Yeah, that's it.